Hello everyone. 大家好。We all know the word it means 它 in Chinese. However, native speakers don't say it for some natural things like rain, snow, and wind, and so on. For the sentence, it rains, literally it's 它下雨. 它下雨. But people never say 它. Just say 下雨 without 它. When the word it is used as the subject that refers to the following, you cannot say 它 as the counterpart in Chinese. In the first case, if we want to say it's raining, we just say it 正在下雨. 正在下雨 without 它. For the sentence, it's going to snow tomorrow. We just say, 明天要下雪. 明天要下雪. 明天 means tomorrow. 下雪 means to snow. If we want to say it's rather windy today, in Chinese we say, 今天风挺大. 今天风挺大. Case 2 is about the environment. For the sentence, it's very cold now. We say, 现在很冷. 现在很冷. Another example is, it was very quiet then. 那时很安静. 那时很安静. The third case is about time and seasons. For example, it's 3 o'clock now. 现在是3点. 现在是3点. The next example is, it has been 5 years since he died. We said, 他死5年了. 他死5年了. The next one is, it will be winter soon. 马上就是冬天. 马上就是冬天. Next case is distance. It's 10 kilometers between A and B. We say, A 和 B 相距10公里. A 和 B 相距10公里. Next case is about volume, weight, mass, and so on. For example, it's 9 cubic meters in volume. We say, 体积是9立方米. 体积是9立方米. 体积 means volume. Next example is 4 kilograms in weight. 重量是4公斤. 重量是4公斤. Some other instances, like, it's time to go. We say, 该走了. 该走了. It's a pity that she can't come. 可惜她不能来. 可惜她不能来. Next example is, it's pretty hard to see him. We say, 很难见到他. 很难见到他. In summary, please don't say 他 for it in the following cases. 谢谢。再见。